If you've been looking at the Vital Pro Breeze, you've probably seen some big promises online. Better cooling, easy portability, lower energy use. But is the Vital Pro Breeze actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out. The Vital Pro Breeze is a compact personal air cooler designed for small spaces. It's meant to sit on your desk, bedside table, or office workspace. Instead of cooling an entire room like a traditional air conditioner, it focuses on creating a cooler airflow around the person sitting nearby. One thing I like is how simple it is to use. Just fill the water tank, plug it in, and turn it on. It's also lightweight, so moving it from one room to another isn't a problem. The fan is generally quieter than many larger cooling units, which is nice if you're working or trying to sleep. That said, it's important to keep your expectations realistic. This is not a replacement for a full-size air conditioner. If you're hoping to cool a large living room during a heatwave, you'll probably be disappointed. It works best when you're sitting close to it in a small area. As for whether it's a scam, I wouldn't call it one. It appears to be a real product that does what it's designed to do. However, some advertisements may make it seem much more powerful than it actually is. That's where many buyers end up feeling misled. So, should you buy the Vital Pro Breeze? If you need a small personal cooler for your desk or bedside, it could be a useful option. But if you're expecting whole room cooling, you'll want to consider a traditional air conditioner instead.